Okay, here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of emini day trader for Thursday, July the 15th, 2010. Well, we were looking at a containment area that extended from approximately 84 up here up to approximately 99. So we can see that the overnight high basically reached it right here. By the way, these are market profiles. This was today's action and its corresponding volume, and this was yesterday. The one in the middle here is what occurred overnight. So overnight the market came up and hit the resistance area and then came back down and opened here in the regular trading hours. But when the news was released, I think it was the industrial production numbers, 9:15 Eastern, that market really took a dive and went all the way down to our next support area, which was right around 77. So, and then of course late in the day, well actually gradually, and then late in the day it went up and made new highs. So we still believe this up auction is in progress and that this was just a temporary pullback, and we do expect the 1099 area to get tested again. Of course, there's other news to be released again tomorrow, in particular the consumer sentiment, 9:55 Eastern, so that can always move the market. But as it stands right now, the attempted sell-off today, and I say attempted because it, even though it did sell off hard, it really didn't last, and that market rallied all the way, almost 20 points off of the low from today to the high. So a pretty good bounce after that reaction to the news. So those are some of the areas that we're looking at as far as trading and our expectation of the underlying bias. Here's the market profiles of the regular trading hours only, which we also like to use. And here's our software here. Now you can see that where our trades are identified with a red arrow for short, so we had 3 of them there. This first particular trade stops after 30 minutes, so it was no longer valid. These other ones were, although by the time these trades were hit, the market was into the neutral. Now this other trade on the long trade down here, even though it was triggered in a red environment, we knew that we had the support area at 77. So this is a somewhat of aggressive trade because of our filter being red. However, it did tie into our intraday up bias auction, and also location was excellent because it was butted right up against the known barrier that had just been rejected. So these are some of the best trades that we actually get, and as you can see, getting long right in here, our order, by the way, was, you can just see that, I'll just change that. You can just see that little dash of a blue right there. That's when the order was actually when the price actually hit our price. So you can see it had a nice bounce immediately, came back down, didn't quite reach our entry price. In other words, we're not stopped out on that. Had another leg up, another test, another leg, test, up, and so on. So the market was continuing to show what we thought it would do on the intraday basis in being able to turn around and have a good move higher. And so we're really looking at support here around 87, 88, with our next test around 99, with next support down around 82. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of emini day trader. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us. We always enjoy hearing from you. Our address is right there, info@eminidaytrader.com. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.